What's up guys, Faisal here. So Apple's biggest surprise of the year is finally leaked. This is completely unexpected if true. The iPhone 15 series will set a level never seen before on a smartphone in one key area of user experience, and that is battery life. According to this breaking news coming from its home, the entire iPhone 15 series is rumored to feature significantly larger batteries. This is indeed the biggest battery upgrade for any individual iPhone or collectivity, if you want to call it, even if you compare it to the previous generation. We are reaching nearly 5000 mAh battery size if you see the iPhone 15 Plus and the 15 Pro Max. The 15 Ultra, considering we all know how good the battery life is on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. With that mere 43009 per cell, this new battery size is going to take the iPhone battery to an absolutely insane level. Just when Samsung was finally closing the gap with the iPhone when it comes to battery performance. As we have seen with the S30 Ultra, Apple does this, and let's not forget the Apple A17 chip is going to be the first chip on a smartphone built on a 3nm achievement, which means its theory is going to be the most efficient smartphone chip combined with this big battery. We are going to see some insane performance on the iPhone 15 series. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. Also in the news, we have another surprise regarding the iPhone 15 Pro and the Pro Max specifically. According to the latest rumors, Apple might actually drop the 128GB model from their lineup instead. They will offer the 256GB storage as their starting storage option. With that being said, don't keep your hopes up when it comes to the pricing. They are not gonna price it similarly to the current 128GB price of the iPhone 14 Pro. Very likely it will have the price that you would normally pay for the 128GB model, which means the iPhone 15 Pro and the Pro Max will be expensive than last year's model while giving you more storage. They are doing this to make more money, but the other reason might be recording the camera video upgrade, specifically 8K video recording that could possibly come to the iPhone 15 Pro series this year, which of course will require a lot more storage than before. No last but not least, the USB-C revolution is coming alongside the USB-C iPhone 15 series. We are going to see one more product with the USB-C edition, and that is going to be the brand new AirPods Pro. This will be a brand new case with a new USB-C connection instead of the Lightning, so that it is compatible with the new USB-C cable that we will be seeing inside the box with the iPhone 15 liner. And no, the charger is not coming back. So please stop hoping for that to happen. That's all for this new news. Let me know what you think about the most insane battery life that we could see on any smartphone, and with the iPhone 15 series. As always, if you are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I will see you guys later. Peace out.